Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 2008 Porsche Cayman 5-speed manual. We are selling this for the second owner. It has 29,000 miles on it. It runs and drives excellent. It's been maintained by a local Porsche specialist. It still smells and feels new inside. All the wheels and tires are in great shape. There's no curb rash on any of the wheels. There are a couple minor cosmetic imperfections, like this, and then there's a ding or two around it. And then inside is like new. The dash is in great shape, the steering wheel, the gauges, the HVAC controls are perfect, which you never see in this generation. It's a 5-speed manual, all the seats are in great shape, the headliner, the hatch, the door cards. It has an updated head unit that works great. It's as close as you can reasonably get to buying a new first-gen Cayman.